Hi everyone, and welcome back to Active USA Ride Waves. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda XR650L, a legendary dual-sport motorcycle that continues to captivate riders with its versatility and rugged reliability. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable commuter that can handle weekend trails, the XR650L has something to offer. Let's start with the heart of the beast in the engine. The 2025 XR650L is powered by a robust 644cc air-cooled, dry-sump, single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. This engine delivers ample torque for both on-road cruising and off-road adventures. Its simple design and proven technology ensure low maintenance and a long lifespan, making it a true workhorse for riders seeking adventure and unmatched reliability. Honda Power Sports Plus 7 Honda Power Sports Plus 7 Honda Power Sports Plus 7 Faster Wheeler. The engine features a bore and stroke of 100.0 mm by 82.0 mm and a compression ratio of 8.3:1. It utilizes a 42.5 mm diaphragm Type CV carburetor for induction and has a solid-state CD ignition with electronic advance. The valve train is a SOC with 4 valve refrigerants, contributing to the engine's efficiency and performance. Faster Wheeler Plus 6 Honda Power Sports Plus 6 Honda Power Sports Plus 6 V1Moto.com Plus 6 Faster Wheeler Plus 6 Web Bike World Plus 6 Total Motorcycle Plus 6 Web Bike World Plus 6 V1Moto.com Plus 6. Starting the XR650L is a breeze, thanks to its electric starter, eliminating the drama of restarting off-road or getting going on cold mornings. The sealed battery provides ample cranking power for the electric starter and is well protected from the rigors and vibrations of off-road use, eliminating maintenance issues. Honda Power Sports Plus 2 Honda Power Sports Plus 2 Honda Power Sports Plus 2 Honda Power Sports Plus 3 Honda Power Sports Plus 3 Honda Power Sports Plus 3. Moving on to the transmission. The XR650L comes with a 5-speed manual gearbox, offering smooth and reliable gear shifts. The final drive is a number 520 O-ring sealed chain with a 15T/45T sprocket setup, ensuring durability and efficient power transfer to the rear wheel. Total Motorcycle Plus 6 Honda Power Sports Plus 6 Honda Power Sports Plus 6. The chassis of the XR650L is designed to withstand the rigors of off-road riding. It features a steel frame whose backbone also serves as the engine's oil tank, saving weight and space. This design improves ground clearance and damage resistance, essential for tackling rough terrains. Honda Power Sports Plus 2 Honda Power Sports Plus 2 Honda Kawasaki.com Plus 2. Suspension-wise, the front features a 43 mm Showa A-registered cartridge fork with 11.6 inches of travel, offering compression damping adjustability to fine-tune it for varying conditions on and off-road. The rear suspension is a ProLink A-registered Showa A-registered single shock with 11.0 inches of travel, providing a comfortable yet controlled ride. It features a soft initial rate to absorb small bumps and progressively stiffer rates to prevent bottoming and maintain rear wheel stability over rough surfaces. Total Motorcycle Plus 8 Honda Power Sports Plus 8 Honda Kawasaki.com Plus 8 Total Motorcycle Plus 7 Honda Power Sports Plus 7 Honda Kawasaki.com Plus 7. Braking is handled by a single 256 mm disc with a twin-piston caliper at the front and a single 220 mm disc at the rear. These disc brakes have drilled rotors, reducing rotating mass for better agility, stopping power, and wet weather performance. Faster Wheeler Plus 6 V1Moto.com Plus 6 Central Florida Power Sports Plus 6 Honda Kawasaki.com Plus 1 Honda Power Sports Plus 1. The XR650L rides on a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, providing improved handling and various tire options for on- or off-road use. The tall sidewalls mean added protection against flats, and the wide range of tire options available in these sizes enhances off-road capability. Honda Power Sports Plus 1 Honda Kawasaki.com Plus 1. In terms of dimensions, the XR650L has a rake of 27.08 degrees, a trail of 4.0 inches, and a wheelbase of 57.3 inches. The seat height is 37.0 inches. and the ground clearance is 13.0 inches, allowing riders to tackle challenging terrains with confidence. The curb weight is 346 pounds, which includes all standard equipment, required fluids, and a full tank of fuel. Cycle Trader plus 7 Honda Power Sports plus 7 Honda Power Sports plus 7 Web Bike World plus 6 V1Moto.com plus 6 Central Florida Power Sports plus 6 Total Motorcycle plus 6 Central Florida Power Sports plus 6 V1Moto.com plus 6. The fuel capacity is 2.8 gallons, including a 0.6 gallon reserve, providing a decent range for both on-road and off-road adventures. The XR650L is available in a classic white color, giving it a clean and timeless look. Central Florida Power Sports plus 4 Faster Wheeler plus 4 Honda Power Sports plus 4. The 2025 Honda XR650L is fully street legal, equipped with turn signals, a license plate light, mirrors, a speedometer, and all necessary components for street legality. This bike truly puts the dual in dual sport, allowing you to transition seamlessly from city streets to rugged trails. Cycle Trader plus 4 Honda Power Sports plus 4 Honda Power Sports plus 4. For passenger convenience, the XR650L comes with a passenger grab strap, folding passenger pegs, and a long MX-style seat, offering ample space and comfort for carrying a passenger. Honda Kawasaki.com plus 1 Honda Power Sports plus 1. Maintenance is made easier with quick-release fasteners on the left side cover, making accessing the air filter, battery, and fuse box a snap literally. Honda Power Sports plus 2 Honda Kawasaki.com plus 2 Honda Power Sports plus 2. The XR650L also features blacked-out style elements, including black rims front and rear, black fork boots, seat, and tool bag, giving the bike a sleeker, more modern appearance. Factory handguards are designed to be off-road ready right out of the box and help protect against rocks, branches, brush, and more. Honda Power Sports plus 2 V1Moto.com plus 2 Honda Power Sports plus 2. The base MSRP for the 2025 Honda XR650L is $6,999. with a destination charge of $600. This pricing makes it an affordable option for riders seeking a reliable and versatile dual-sport motorcycle. Faster Wheeler plus 5 Honda Power Sports plus 5 Honda Power Sports plus 5. In summary, the 2025 Honda XR650L continues to uphold its reputation as a dependable and versatile dual-sport motorcycle. Its combination of a robust engine, durable chassis, long travel suspension, and street-legal features make it a solid choice for riders looking to explore both urban environments and off-road trails. Thanks for tuning into Active USA Ride Waves. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and riding tips. Ride safe and see you on the next adventure.